Xiaomi has officially unveiled the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, confirming its global debut at MWC 2025 in Barcelona, scheduled from March 3rd to 6th. According to a recent tweet by Yawn on X, a Russian retailer inadvertently leaked press images, revealing the device in black and white color options. The black variant features a bold red rim encircling the camera island, adding a distinctive and premium touch. While the overall design remains similar to its predecessor, refinements such as a flat frame with rounded edges give it a refreshed and polished look. The camera system has received significant upgrades, as confirmed by Yogesh Brar. It features a quad camera setup with a 50-megapixel Sony Linear LYT 901-inch primary sensor. Supporting this is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, a 50-megapixel Sony 3x telephoto lens, and a 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP9 periscope telephoto camera, offering 4.3 times optical zoom, a sensor previously seen in Vivo's flagship models. The smartphone offers an exceptional visual experience with a 6.36-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display, featuring LTPO technology, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an astonishing 3,200 nit peak brightness. Powering the device is a 6,000 mAh battery with 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring rapid recharging and all-day battery life. Performance is driven by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, as confirmed by a recent Geekbench AI test. The device runs on Android 15, enhanced with Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0, promising a refined and efficient user experience. The Adreno 830 GPU further boosts performance, catering to gaming enthusiasts and power users. The global model will launch with 12 GB RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, while the Chinese variant will include a 16 GB RAM and 512 GB option. Pricing details have emerged, indicating that the 16 GB/512 GB model is expected to cost 130,000 rubles in Russia, approximately $1,400 or 1,300 euros. However, European pricing is projected to be slightly higher, around 1,500 euros.